What is Auerfarm? What makes it so special to Connecticut history? Let's find out. Hi everyone, I'm Kat, the Youth and Family Programs Manager at the Connecticut Historical Society. Welcome to another episode of Kat's Creative Corner. Today, we are going to explore the history of Auerfarm, a historic local farm located in Bloomfield, Connecticut. This is a special episode because we are partnering with Put Local on Your Tray, an organization that supports Connecticut farms, and the Connecticut Farm to School Collaborative in honor of the 5th annual Hardcore Apple and Pear Crunch, a program that encourages healthy eating and celebrating local food. After this episode, check out our website for flyers about this program, as well as a historic recipe for a yummy apple treat. Our farm was run by Mrs. Beatrice Fox Auerbach, the president of G. Fox, a major department store in Connecticut for many years. I talk about the store in more detail in another video called Kat's Creative Corner, What's in the Toy Box. So be sure to check that out if you want to learn more about the store. For this video, we are going to focus on her work at Auerfarm. Mrs. Auerbach took control of the farm in 1927 after her husband passed away. Take a look at this scarf with a hand-painted scene of the farm. What animals do you see? What about fruit trees? That's right. There's a cow, a chicken, and an apple tree. Our farm had 60 cows, 20,000 chickens, and an orchard or area of land planted with fruit trees with over 300 apple trees. Look how many apples there are. Just think of all the yummy treats you can make with all of this fresh fruit. Throughout history, our farm has used their crops and animals to provide fresh food for food pantries and to educate local children. In the 1950s, Mrs. Auerbach invited thousands of school children to take field trips to the farm, giving them the opportunity to visit the cows, chickens, and the orchard to gain a better understanding of where food comes from. 70 years later, our farm is still giving school children and families the ability to explore the farm while learning about fresh local food. In honor of Connecticut Grown for Connecticut Kids Week, I wanted to celebrate this wonderful local farm that has served the people of Connecticut for years. Now, what better way to celebrate delicious, locally grown produce than making a historic apple treat to enjoy with your whole family? I chose a recipe for an apple spice muffin from the Newington Centennial 1971 cookbook. The recipe for this snack can be found on the CHS website. Thank you for joining me for this special episode of Kat's Creative Corner, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!